Mary Berry is one of the UK's most beloved bakers. She has presented countless cooking programmes and was a former judge on the Great British Bake Off. And of course, we are all waiting for the day when Mary Berry is behind the mask.
Mary Berry!
In the meantime, I thought me and my mum would make the most British food I can think of, and that is scones or scones. But first, we need to take a trip to Aldi. Other supermarkets are available to pick up some of the ingredients that we didn't have already. Now that we've got what we need, it's time to go home and get cracking. The link to the original recipe is down below so you can follow along with us. We'll need the flour later, so we'll just put it to one side. This is the end result. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the Nathan Hodgson YouTube channel, and I will see you soon.